Alright. Check out my boy whip. I promised him I was gonna throw it in the channel. I think I showed it before, if I'm not wrong, when we was doing the side skirts last time. Pause. So if you know, you know. This car in the future we're gonna go over and we're gonna do the paint over in the channel, hopefully next summer. But check out this beautiful machine by my boy Jamel. TL gang in the house, so let's get it. The official car is done. This is done. This is done. And we officially have a U. Little cleanup. Some of the excess metal I have to cut down. But we're gonna take our time, episode by episode, little by little. This is gonna be a serious time working on it. But it's officially a pickup Civic. Basically done for the day. I'm not trying to make noise and piss off anybody. Daylight going down. So, again, this is phase 1 on the Civic U. I think we accomplished enough. Go and pick this up. We obviously got some cleanup to do and some taking apart before we start doing some other mods. So, this is step number 1. Not too bad. I think we all see it. Should be lit on there right there. That'll be a wrap. Welcome to the channel. Mac Dr. Bill. About saying I thanks and I appreciate every single one of you that's hot. Subscribe, like, and comment on the channel. Alright, boys. This is a quick, very quick and fast video. Normally I don't like making this type of videos, but I feel like I have to. A lot of you support me. A lot of you watch my videos. It seems like I motivate you, but on the contrary, you're the one that motivate me with your words, with your encouragement of not giving up, keep pushing with the bills, and all those natures. See me? I started this as a young kid, 14, 15 years. I started painting bikes, and this is why I'm talking this little dialogue for my my youth that watch the channel. All the young bloods coming up, they're doing the right thing, and y'all getting into cars. Life is not easy, man, but it's all we got. I remember being 14, 15, I started painting bicycle frames every other day, every weekend. My mom used to hate it because there was always bike parts around the house, tires, handlebars, chain, refrigerator door was full of grease all the time, sink, etc. Not mentioning my clothes, but that's what I like doing. That's how I got the gift of painting nowadays. I started with a rattle can, and that rattle can I designed my own wave, my own designs, my own styles. Who would have known that a hobby, just jumping ramps and messing with bikes, was gonna lead me where I'm at today, which to me I don't think I'm anywhere special than anybody else. It's just I have a little knowledge with life, things that I done, and I use them to my advantage. And it's been almost 8 years in this channel that I decided to pay it forward. I make a lot of money in my life doing this, that I didn't have to show anything to anybody else. To be honest, most body shops will never show you the tricks. Most body shops won't teach you or show you the true work. They'll show you the clean work because they want a revenue. But I come from the school of hard knocks, the underground, the people from the hood You know, we don't always got the catch. We don't always got the dough. And even if we won't have all of that, there's some of us, including me, a lot of y'all here watching, that we self getters, you know what I mean? Whether we don't know it, we're gonna figure it out, we're gonna make it happen. And that's been my story. You know, I learned a lot of stuff. I always say that every day you could learn something new. There's something that you guys could show me that maybe I did every day, but your way made me do it better and save me time. So, yeah, today I'm looking at none other than one of my greatest creations of all time. So, just like everything, boys, I gotta do some growing up decisions. And I'm gonna get to the story short, man. This is the last time you guys gonna see the Greyskull truck and EG Hash trailer in the channel. Hey, this is some hurtful shit, man. This is 3 years of my work. I wouldn't say going down the drain because a lot of people that motivated me back by sending me screenshots from some place else that they seen one and they remind them on mine and they automatically tag me on Instagram and YouTube and all that. Like, y'all the goats, man. I'm nobody. I'm just a vassal here, a humble server and that starts with spreading positivity. No matter what negativity I go in life, that nobody else will do. Simple. The truck and the trailer went as a combo deal. I won't disclose amount between me and the owner. Which the owner, by the way, is like my brother. One of my best friends. You already see him in the channel. That's the kind of bond and friendship that I have, you know, with fam. Because he is family to me. Anyways, I'm happy going to a good home because since day one, that's thought of the concept. He liked it. He knows there's something different. And at the end, I'm gonna still help him. I'm gonna still give him a hand. And I'm gonna still finish it. Just not in my channel. Not in my budget. It's not fair to try to do more than I can. And that's why I'm being transparent and putting this video to you guys out there. So y'all see that I'm not no better than anybody. You know what I'm saying? I'm not no worse. Life hits and it's hard. We all got bills, responsibilities, and goals. So that's been mine. Time to move on and simply start looking for the future of the channel, for my family, and for myself. To be honest, I lost my job like 2 months ago. I have no income. I'm kind of hurting. Hurting now that I'm broke, that I cannot feed my family, we cannot live. I don't mean that. Even though it's a struggle day in, day out. I'm not trying to put this video for petty for anybody. I'm trying to keep it clear. I didn't want to talk about these topics, but again, I'm trying to keep it clear. Think I owe you explanation. All them likes. I got thousands of views in this truck. Why wouldn't I take time to be honest with y'all and keep it transparent? Most people be capped. I could have simply not say anything and take months and months and months of not showing it. And when I show the content on the truck, fake the funk and lie that I'm doing work on it, even though I know it's not mine now and it's in somebody else's house. Like, that's not me, man. I'd rather keep it 100, keep it a buck. You know, The car will be gone, yes, but the legacy still remains. The car, everybody knows it in YouTube. It's well known. Without going anywhere, without have to step out here, it kept its legacy and it's inspired thousands of people, thousands of views, many people that it be motivated with it. I know it kind of sucks when it comes down to this, but what can we do? Just put yourself in my position. I could simple keep doing the body work and stuff like that, and I don't know. I just gonna continue with what I have to do, and somehow find that old spark, kind of like in Transformer. I lost my old spark. Not be a downer. At least on the bright side of props. Even if I get hate in this video, or people wanna just consider this and that because of that, then let it be, man. I respect your opinion. You're entitled to one. Just at least give me props and my respect that I'm making this video about it and we're talking. You know, if you can't, you can. You cannot dance to Awesome Boys. Spent 3 years with this build since my other crib that y'all remember. And for the ones that hated on this build, then be proud it's not in the channel no more, man. Now y'all could go back in the first at the beginning how I did it. And thousands of views for the people to come for generations and generations is gonna be watching the videos. Because I was transparent and I put the whole process, how I cut it, how I built the back, the cap, the floor, body work. Not many people did that. I did. The other two that are in YouTube, I don't like mentioning names because I consider these gentlemen entrepreneurs just like me. And we all made this a trend. So no disrespect to any of them because they inspire me. I just wish that this trend could go on in the future. My videos could be useful. People could use them as a guide and make them work. And remember that Doc was here one day and we put in the work, boys. Time to let go. More about the truck and the EG hatch. Not in my possession. Maybe in another channel. But the truck will live on. Greyskull, the EK truck, and the EG hatch trailer. Bill, Magdacto Bill, 518. So that's all I got for that. I do have one more bill in the future that similar to that, which is the EK 4-door hatch. To be honest, I was supposed to build a 4-door EK hatch a long time ago before I did the truck. But I had a chance for the truck. I'll tell you guys a little bit. I bought the EK truck, which is now today, just like the Black Widow Civic, the Black Civic, a shell, blowing motor, blah blah blah, whatever. Which the truck never had a blowing motor. Thank God to have the motor on the Black Widow, and the heart and the legacy of the Greyskull is literally in my car as we speak. So that's my only happiness and satisfaction. I'm enjoying the car as we speak because of this car that was here. If not, I wouldn't been able. So I'm happy and I feel blessed for it. And nothing. I wanted to build the hatch back then, 4-door. You know, be honest, I wanted to be the first one around here they ever had one that nobody built, just like the EG hatch. I wanted to be the first one, and I did it, the EK truck. And I cut my finger one day, 18 stitches, 2 weeks I couldn't do nothing, sitting down bored in my house. Story now today, that's how the truck was born. I decided to cut it, and I wanted to make a truck for you guys, and I did. So show continues, boys. Show definitely continues. I kept my word 3 years ago that we were gonna build that truck, and the truck is finished. How much body work can I keep showing y'all in it that I only get 100 views, maybe 3 likes, maybe 500 views? I don't even care about the views, like, I'm about the work. But time's up with this vehicle. Like I say, I gotta push through, you know what I mean? This is not a sorry ass, feel bad for me guys video. Far from that. This is just to keep it real. That 8 years putting the work, even though it's free, it cost me a lot. To the point that some days I don't even want to do this no more. You guys encourage me. Like I stay every day in YouTube watching my boys' channels, watching everybody's videos, because of course I'm a YouTuber. I'm gonna watch other people's videos and stuff like that, and mad people inspire me to, motivate me. So but it's not easy. 8 years coming off pocket, putting my checks after I pay my bills, of course, spending my free time when I'm working, tired, sleeping. It's not easy. I'm not a young cat no more. I'm not making this and feel sorry for me no more. I'm just keeping it honest. Why be cat? Why lie? So, and that's my story with AK. I feel like it's gonna hold me down in moving forward in life. Different changes, things for myself that it's just time. In the future, God will say, and all the bills will come and stuff like that. But that was my biggest bill in the channel. To that tenth of fabrication, if you want to say. Does not mean we don't have anything else. We got all the cars, literally, that we put the work day in, day out. And we're gonna continue. I'm not gonna lie to nobody here. And you guys ask me, and I'll say a lie. That's never me. I might be a big mouth. I might be disrespectful sometimes. I might be a little crazy sometimes, but I don't like lying about shit. I don't like being capping. And I'm just a regular person like all of ya, that I go through shit and I trying to suck it in, trying to live and live life. Sometimes it just better not to say anything at all. Just continue and move along. So, with that being said, this is all I got for that. I have another video right after this, so I'm not gonna talk about it. Make sure to stay tuned. We got plenty more on this. Far from done. So stay tuned. But as far as the Greyskull EK truck, we are not doing any more videos, at least not from my channel, or pretending there's mine. So one more last time, boys. Couple seconds tribute to the EK Greyskull truck. That bell deserves it. And they're great times for the community. And I know it's gonna be something one day. Right. That being said, thanks and I appreciate every single one of you have subscribed, like, and comment. Thank you for subscribing. Stay tuned. Till next time. Peace.